All right, now we are on to our circuit program. The first program that we're going to demonstrate is called a Brazilian circuit. Now, the Brazilian circuit combines a series of exercises, continuous without stopping, with a 3-minute recovery, and then a run up to 400 meters. We're going to modify it for today. I'm going to have Blaze here demonstrate several of the exercises each, but the exercise range can be from 10 reps all the way up to 50 reps, and these are continuous. You would continuously do the exercises, do your 3-minute rest, and then do your run. For today, we have a 400-meter run, but since we don't have 400 meters, we're going to modify that to 40 yards. That will be 10 time 40-yard turnaround sprints. So the way that that's going to be completed, you'll sprint 40 yards, turn around, come right back, turn around, go right back, 5 times up and back continuous. And the pace for the guys should be about 70 seconds, for girls about 90 seconds total to complete that run. All right, we're going to start off with the exercise portion of the Brazilian circuit. All right, you can cut it. All right, so we have a total of 8 different exercises here that Blaze is going to demonstrate for us. Now, when you do them at home, you are going to do them continuously. You're going to do them starting at, depending on what your level is, at 10 reps per, all the way up to 50 reps per, just depending on your current level of fitness. So we're going to have Blaze start off with the push-up. With the push-up, it's going to go down, slow it down a little bit, keeping that nice postural position, no break at the hips, chest down to the ground, fully extend at the top. Okay. All right, next, Blaze is going to demonstrate 5 burpees. Now with these burpees, he's going to explode up, landing flat, coming down into a push-up position, trying to hold that plank position, then going down to a push-up where his chest is touching the ground, and then bringing those feet back through his hands and exploding up. Okay, go ahead and demonstrate. Down, up, nice explosion, up. All right, from here, you're gonna go right into mountain climbers. Blaze is gonna do 5 or 6 mountain climbers. He's gonna bring the knee up to the elbow and switch. Okay, from there, Blaze is then gonna stand up, go right into his body weight squats. Fast, this is only going down about a half squat. Down and up, keeping his weight in his heels, keeping that good postural position, pushing the hips back, down and up. Okay, next. All right, the next exercise Blaze is going to do is elevated press up. Okay, you can use a bench, you can use a chair at home to do this. Same position, going down, chest to the ground, keeping that nice plank position as he's coming up, holding that position. Okay, then from there, Blaze is going to go into a lunge position, stationary. When you go into that lunge, the back knee touching the ground, leading with the heels, stand up nice and tall, again, shoulders over the hips, kissing that back knee to the ground, keeping that good posture throughout. Okay, you would complete your number of reps here, and then you go right back into a regular push-up. All right, regular push-up, again, that same position we started with the push-up. Okay, then from here, after he completes his whatever number of reps, then he's going to stand back up, and now he's going to go into a deep squat. Okay, with this, you want those hips to come past the knee crease. Okay, keeping his weight in the heels. Arms stay up to help keep that chest up. You want to keep that nice upright postural alignment position. All right, and let's say he just finished 50. He would now have 3 minutes to rest. After that 3-minute recovery, then would be the run. Once you complete the run, then you complete this series again, and then that would be one set, and you have 2 to 3 sets of this Brazilian circuit. We'll come back with the run. Okay, now Blaze would have a 400-meter total run, so it will be 5 times up and back, 40-yard sprints continuous without stopping. Blaze is only going to do 1 up and back, okay? But when you do it at home, you're going to do a total of 5. So go ahead, Blaze. Spreading out, full. Now he's controlled, not necessarily full speed. All right, and that would, are you still, okay? And that would be 10, if that was his 10th rep of 40, then he would have a 3-minute rest, restart the exercise portion of it, and do that 2 to 3 times, and that will complete your Brazilian circuit. Okay, this next circuit is a specific strength circuit by body part. Now, I'm going to send a list of different exercises by body part that you can choose from when you create this circuit of your own. I'm going to have the athletes demonstrate several of the exercises in the different body part circuits so that you can have an understanding of how it's done. The first one is going to be focused on the core. So we're going to have Skylar here demonstrate these exercises. The first one is just going to be bent knee sit-ups. So you would have a set number of reps that you would do. Bent knee sit-ups. Knees are bent. You're just going to come all the way up. Shoulders or your elbows past knees. Full vertical position where those shoulders are coming up to the hip crease. Okay. Next, the bent knee sit-ups. Now we're going to stand up and get that back. This is more of a stretch. These are good mornings. You can do this if you have a band. You can do it with the band across your shoulders. If not, feet are flat, just pushing the hips back, shoulders forward, nice and slow. This is more of a stretch than an actual exercise. And here you're just getting a good stretch of the lower back. These are your good mornings. All right, from here, then we're gonna go back down to the abs. These are chinnies. Okay, so from this position, her head is going to be resting in her hands, and then she is going to come up across her body, twisting the opposite elbow to the opposite knee, pulling the knee to the elbow, extending the opposite leg as she is lifting up, okay? Once she completes the set number of reps there, then she is going to roll over on her stomach for forward arches or sail stretch. She is going to push her hips into the ground. Push your hands. Your hands are going to go down over to the side and push up, pushing the hips down into the ground. That's a great stretch for the lower back. Okay, and then from here, she's going to roll back over to her back. Abs. These are V-ups. So from a laying position, arms are extended over her head. She is going to lift the legs and the chest at the same time, bringing her hands to her toes in a V position. Okay? And then finally, she is going to, this is for that lower back, roll over on her stomach. Now you're going to do the chest raises, also called Supermans. Her chest is going to come off the ground, keeping those hips pressed into the ground, just raising the chest, squeezing the lower back, keeping the glutes nice and tight. Okay, that is the first part of the body weight or specific strength circuit by body part. All right, the next body part circuit that we have is going to be the ankle and core. So focus on really getting those ankles nice and loose. We're just going to do simple toe raises. So Cameron is just going come up on the balls of her feet, pressing the toes up. This really stretches out the ankles as well as the Achilles and the gastrocnemius. And she's going to point the toes in, doing the same thing. Then another variation, pointing the toes out, coming up on the balls of her feet. Okay, after she completes a set number here, then she goes into her sit-ups. Elevated sit-ups, she's gonna put her legs up. It could be on a table, on a chair, on a bench, and hands behind her head. She's using her abs, not her hands to lift, but her abs to lift, coming up to the thighs and back down. From here, after she completes set number, then she is going to do a sit-up with a twist. Okay, that was elevated. Now this, she's going to be flat, feet flat, up, twist, twist, all the way up. Touch the elbow to the thigh, right, left, and back down. Okay, after she completes this set number, now we're back to the ankle. Okay, Cameron gets up, and she is just going to do a basic skip, landing flat, pushing up, landing flat, pushing up. Oh, just a skip, skip. Okay. Now she's back on her back, bicycle. At about 6 inches, she's gonna bring that ankle up past the knee, keeping the toe dorsiflex and pressing out, not fluttering, but pressing out in a cycle position. Okay, she completes her set number of these or time, and then she goes right into her ankling. She's just stepping over the ankle, stepping down. All right, and that would be the second, that would be circuit B. Okay, so we've seen circuit A, that would be circuit B, and then the completion of this circuit would be after circuit C, which you'll see coming up next. So the last part of this circuit would be your legs and your core. Cameron's gonna demonstrate the 4 exercises that we have picked out for the leg circuit. Okay, first thing he's gonna do is a half squat. Okay, with body weight, if you want a variation of this, you want a little more difficulty, you can hold a 10-pound, a 15, a 25-pound weight, or if you have a weighted vest, you can put the weighted vest on and use that just to give you a little more difficulty. We're gonna just do this with body weight. It's half squat. Arms are gonna be up to keep that good squat position. He's only going halfway down, still keeping that vertical position in his torso, pushing the hips back, weight on the heel. Okay, then from there, after he completes his set number, then he's going to be on his back, working on the abs, doing chinnies. You've seen these before. Okay, elbow to the thigh, lift up, keeping the legs up off the ground and the shoulders off the ground. Then from here, you're gonna stand back up, and now we're gonna work on keeping that tension in your core, in your torso as you are running in place, accelerating the thigh down. Stand up nice and tall, keeping the hips up. Okay, this would be for a set number of either contacts or time. And then the last thing, back on your back for leg raises. The leg raises, you're gonna come up to about 90 degrees, come back down about 6 inches, continuous for your set number of reps. Once you complete your set number and you've completed A, B, and C, that will complete the total circuit for body part circuit.